Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY. I am going to be collaborating with Caitlin from Kraftsbykatelyn. This is our second collab we've done and I absolutely love her channel. So make sure you go and check her Dollar Tree DIY out. We're going to do some kind of farmhouse decor and I am so excited to see hers. I enjoy her videos every single week. I absolutely love her. She is one of my favorite YouTubers to watch. I think her ideas are just outside the box and absolutely incredible. And anyways, I'm gonna be doing a wall decor. I am so excited. I don't do a ton of wall decor because our house is so packed full of things that I don't even know where to put things half the time. Without further ado, I'm gonna show you what I'm going to be doing. So the first things you're gonna need are these like hard cardboard canvases and then 2 mason jars, twine. I got these lights a while back at the Dollar Tree. I just never had batteries. And then I got a bunch of fall floral. And then I'm just going to start by painting these in the Waverly chalk paint. It's in cashew. I buy all this stuff at Walmart. It's like $1.97 for a little jar, but it goes a long way, so I think it's worth it. And now I am just taking this Waverly wax paint. It's an antique and I'm just going to go over the edges and the top with it and distress it a little bit. And this is totally my method and this is the way I go for everything because I like everything simple and easy, and this is seriously simple and easy if you want a easy, fast, distressed look to all of your decor. So that is my little easy way out. When someone don't help you through the rain, when feelings don't matter and everything. And to glue the mason jars to the little canvases, I'm just going to take a lot of E6000. I'm just going to pour it all over the back of this. And I'm also hot gluing it as well so it stays faster. That is a trick I learned from so many subscribers. So thank you guys for telling me to do that because I've listened. And I totally forgot to wrap twine around this, so now I just had to do it a harder way, but it still worked because the top obviously wasn't glued. So that is how it looks. And now I'm going to take these cute little fairy lights. I love these, but it was so hard to hide like the batteries with the flowers. So I don't know if you guys have any tips for that one, but if you do, make sure you leave that in the comments below. It's nothing but a game. Just know that I'm with you. Just know that I'm with you through it all. And now I'm just going to take my flowers. I got them from the Dollar Tree, and their fall flowers, or their fall floral, or whatever you want to call it, is on point this year. They have so many cute ones. I probably spent $1 billion on just their flowers. So you'll be seeing a ton of DIYs coming up of all just fall because I can't wait any longer. So yeah, fall decor has arrived on my channel and it's not gonna stop until Christmas time. And I obviously did 2 of these, but I wasn't going to show you making the same exact thing twice. But I thought 2 different little color of flowers would look really cute. And then I'm just trying to adjust them because I was seriously trying to hide that battery pack like no other. But when you did, the lights would come out. I don't know. But I think they turned out so cute. And I absolutely love these. These are probably one of my favorites. And I don't say that a lot, but I have said that lately because I think my DIYs are getting a lot better than they used to be. I'm gonna be there whenever you win or if you fall. Alright you guys, that's it for my Dollar Tree Farmhouse Decor DIY. And I'm not gonna lie you guys, it was inspired by Pinterest because I love Pinterest and I love everything about Pinterest, and if I can find something on there that costs $1 billion on Etsy or $1 million at Pier 1 or Pottery Barn or whatever, I'm gonna try to recreate it. So I don't know exactly where it came from, but I love this and I am so happy with it and I'm glad everything worked out in the end. So thanks for watching again, and make sure that when you're done with this video, which is about to end in like 25 seconds, I don't know, make sure you go and check out Caitlin's video. I will leave her link in the description box below, along with her channel link. So make sure you go and check all of that stuff out. And if you like videos like this, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe and make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!